Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Charlie's Crypto. Here I make videos about online investment platforms. I give latest cryptocurrency update. I talk about legit shitcoins to buy, legit altcoins to buy. I talk about new coins listed with potential on CoinMarketCap and different other platforms. I also give updates about cryptocurrency and anything in the world of cryptocurrency I make videos and talk about on this channel. So guys, if you are new here and interested in any of my content, please do not forget to hit on that subscribe button and keep that notification bell on so that be notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, in today's video I'll be talking about Wakanda Inu again. So guys, there's an update about Wakanda Inu that I don't want you to miss out on, because Wakanda Inu seems to be the trending coin right now. So I'll be dropping updates once I get a new update about this particular token. So today also there are new listings of Wakanda Inu on different other platforms, and I'd like to bring it to your notice. And another interesting thing happened today that I discovered today about Wakanda Inu, and I'll be talking about it. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you miss out on any update I'll be dropping today. So I'll be taking you to the Telegram announcement channel of Wakanda Inu, and you'll be able to see the things that happened within just in the last 24 hours that I made a video about this particular token, guys. So we'll be going to their official Telegram channel so they can see the things the Wakanda Inu is achieving and doing fast right now. So you can see the rank of this token today. This is CoinMarketCap as I see here, and the rank is 2,899, and about 18,905 people have this token on their watch list. The price is still up to 6 zeros and $1709. It is up by 4.95% in the last 24 hours. You can see the market capital and the fully diluted market capital of this token here. They are really awesome. Alright guys, so this is the official announcement channel of Wakanda Inu on Telegram, and you can see here these are new updates about Wakanda Inu as of today. You can see Wakanda Inu now listed on Muna. So Wakanda Inu is listed on another platform known as Muna. Wakanda Inu is doing things really fast. As of when last I made a video, Wakanda Inu was listed on 13 different platforms as exchanges, and today another listing happened on Wakanda Inu. And you can see not just that one only, Wakanda Inu is listed on another particular exchange called Local Trade. They're in partnership with Local Trade right now, and this partnership, according to them, is aimed at promoting the charity program that Wakanda Inu wants to offer to the community. So be following this link here to see the details about their partnership and what they hope to achieve. Alright guys, so you can see here this is Local Trade giving updates about the listing of Wakanda Inu and their partnership with them right now. So now they said Wakanda Inu has partnered up with Local Trade to promote charity focused initiatives. So this is the intention of Wakanda Inu partnership with Local Trade right now. Say greetings, today we are happy to announce that Wakanda Inu has partnered up with Local Trade Exchange. See, Wakanda Inu is a community-driven African token that is widely utilized in worldwide charity initiatives. The partnership between companies delivers better opportunity for both Local Trade and Wakanda Inu communities, both in terms of technology and market expansion. Beside Wakanda Inu coin listing on Local Trade and among other benefits of such cooperation, companies are aiming to empower global emerging markets worldwide with the power of crypto, condensing charity-focused events and global initiatives. Local Trade is a one-stop crypto exchange and financial product ecosystem that bridges the gap between traditional finance and the crypto industry through its own LUTT token. LUTT token, I'm just telling you that LUTT token is still available. You can purchase it on DeFi Lab website at lowest price. So that's the update, and you can see the listing details. See, the ticker is Wakanda Inu and the price is Wakanda Inu /USDT, announced in the early hours of today. So let's go back to the Telegram channel to get the last announcement for today about Wakanda Inu. So coming back to the Telegram channel of this Wakanda Inu, there's an update here I've seen. I've just discovered that one of the warriors or one of the holders of Wakanda Inu is the popular Nigerian musician Don Jazzy, the CEO of Mavis Record, is the one of the warriors, active warriors of Wakanda Inu. So you can see the video displaying here is showing the video of Don Jazzy being interviewed on Daba TV, and he actually claimed that he owned Wakanda Inu token, and he tries to support the African version of this particular token and the way it is moving. So they say, guess who is a Wakanda Inu warrior? Watch the video. So guys, let's fastly watch this video to understand truly who is behind this project.
Sure, you've heard the latest music going on in town. There's someone who has been behind all these latest kids in the block. The Maven King himself, Don Jazzy.
I have some Wakanda coins. Just the whole African vibe about it. I'm like, nothing to shake. We go, we move.
Alright guys, so that'll be all for today. That'll be all for this video. That is Don Jazzy. So if this kind of influential people in Nigeria can actually support this project, this is one of the projects that you should take your time to check about and even invest into. Though I'm not telling you what to do, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money or what you can do with your investment. You should make your personal research and invest based on what you think or what you feel about this very token. It is now less than 3 days to the burning of 76% of the total supply of this particular token. So we watch and see what this token wants to do. Currently, Wakanda Inu has over 95,000 holders, and I think this is amazing, and this is an achievement in the shortest time that this token has done so far. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day ahead.